Hello English learners, my name is Alice and welcome to a new video. And it doesn't matter if you just love traveling or you're up to becoming a cabin crew. This video is for you. Today we are going to look at some of the most important equipment on board of an aircraft. Let's start. The first and probably the most important equipment we are going to look at today is safety seatbelt. It's recommended to keep our safety seatbelts fastened during the whole flight while seated. Why is it so important? Because we can avoid unnecessary injuries in case of turbulence. So how do we fasten the seatbelt? First of all, take a moment and identify your seatbelt. Then take the metal end of the belt and insert it into the buckle till you hear a click. This sound indicates that your seatbelt is properly secured. Now adjust your seatbelt. You need to make sure that your seatbelt is not too loose nor too tight. You should feel comfortable and you should be able to breathe properly. You should keep your seatbelt fastened even though the seatbelt sign is off. You should only release your seatbelt when you need to go to the washroom or you have some urgency. Releasing your seatbelt is exact opposite of fastening it. So lift the flap and untie your seatbelt or use the release button presented in some seatbelts. If you are unable to fasten or unfasten your seatbelt, do not hesitate asking for the help of cabin crew. The next equipment we are going to look at today is emergency oxygen mask. Oxygen masks are deployed in case of a loss of cabin pressure in order to provide oxygen to passengers and crew. Oxygen mask supplies roughly from 10 to 14 minutes of oxygen, which is more than enough time for a pilot to descend below 10,000 feet where the atmosphere has enough oxygen to breathe. So how do we use an oxygen mask? Pull a mask, place it over your mouth and nose. Ensure the elastic band behind your head and breathe normally. Onboard instructions say that we have to put our mask first before helping others. Why is it so important? Well, actually, it's vital for ensuring your survival. Because if you run out of oxygen yourself, you won't be able to help to survive other passengers on board. The next equipment is life vest or life jacket. Life vests are usually stored under your seat or in the seat pocket in front of you. So it's highly recommended you identify your life vest before the flight takes off. Put on your life jacket over your head. Fit it to your body. Fasten the vest. Ensure that it's not too tight and not too loose. In case of an emergency, inflate your life jacket by pulling the red tabs firmly. It can also be inflated by blowing into the red tubes on the both sides of the jacket. All life vests are equipped with a whistle and light. These features help to attract attention and assist a rescue team in locating you. Remember that life jackets must be inflated only outside an aircraft.